Welcome back to my channel. This is CoinCode. I am DMO. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit on Now2trade. One thing you need to know is that Now2trade is really paying. And on my last video on Now2trade, there was something I skipped which I did not talk about. So on this video, I'm going to explain it to you and show you how you can deposit without any issue. And also, I'm going to share with you the best spot to enter trade for you to make high profits. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video because every minute of this video carries an important information you won't afford to miss. And before I proceed, please use 2 seconds of your time to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative and educative content like this. And also follow me on Twitter and retweet my pinned tweet to get qualified for this weekly giveaway. Meanwhile, join our Telegram community to get quick updates and engage with new members. So now let's move. Now, if you are new to this platform, you just got to use the link below to get started. Then you register with your email address. Then it will take you to your dashboard. And I believe you already understand this platform because I've made several videos on it. So for you to do anything on this platform, you need to deposit first. And for you to deposit, you just got to click on this wallet icon below. You click on it. Then it will take you to your wallet section whereby you can deposit with Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum and Ripple will be enabled in the future. You understand? So now depositing with Bitcoin will require a lot of gas fee. So you have to deposit with either Dogecoin or Litecoin. But also the deposit of Litecoin is very high, you understand? So you just got to click on deposit because I'll be depositing with Dogecoin. Then you click on copy wallet address. Now after you copied your wallet, you just got to go to any exchange at all, either Binance, KuCoin, or any exchange you are using. Then send Dogecoin or the type of coin you want to deposit to your Now2trade account. Now since I'll be withdrawing Doge to my Now2trade account, I just got to click on Doge. Then you click on withdraw. You understand? Then now you just need to put my wallet address I copied. Then they say the minimum is 100. You understand? But I want to deposit 1,000. So you just got to edit the amount I want to deposit, 1,000. But since the fee is $5, I need to put the 5 so that the total amount will be 1,000, which will be reflected on my Now2trade account. So I need to click on withdraw. Now, after making a withdrawal, just as you can see, my withdrawal was successful. So I just got to wait for some minutes, then go back to my Now2trade account. Then it will reflect there. Now, after waiting for some minutes, you can see that the deposit was successful. 1,000 Dogecoin, you understand? And if you notice, the balance is not in your actual main balance. So you got to swap it to BTC before it will reflect on your main balance. And for you to do that, you just got to come to your wallet section. Then you click on this change. You can also apply this process to your Litecoin when you deposit. So now it will take you to this section that says Exchange Center. You just got to click on Exchange Now. Then wait for it to load up. Now after that, you will discover that your Doge balance or your Litecoin balance is 0 because after changing it, it will reflect on your Bitcoin balance. You understand? Now before I show you how to place trade and earn higher profit, you need to know that Now2trade system is highly secured, you understand? Despite the fact that hackers is trying to hack the system, but the system is highly secured. So you don't need to worry about the system as long as the system can be managed and also the company make profit and they make payouts to people that are using this platform. Then this platform will always be forever. Now on that note, when you click on this top left corner, you will see a sub menu. Then when you click on reference, it will take you to your reference section whereby all your referral histories and your earnings are there, you understand? And as you can see, I've earned over 0.0339 BTC in affiliate marketing alone, which was approximately over $1,300. So on that note, for you to earn that kind of free money, you just got to share your referral link with your friends and loved ones. Also share this video alongside you there so that they will understand and know what they are dealing on. Now moving to how you can place trade and earn higher profit. When you go to the trading section, it will take you to the market of all the exchanges, you understand? Now first of all, you just got to put the amount. Let me say I want to trade I want to use 100% of my balance to make trade. So by the time I click on 100%, I scroll down a little bit. Then I need to take note of this currency difference and the matched amount, you understand? So this currency difference will determine your profit. Sometimes on a good market situation, the currency difference can reach up to $1,000. Then once the currency difference reach up to $1,000, that is when you place trade, you understand? Because it changes. So by the time it reach $1,000, when you use $3,000 to place trade, you will discover that you can be earning up to like $10 to $15 per instant. So always take the currency difference price into consideration before making any trade, you understand? So you just got to wait for it to change up, you understand? Then you just got to click on start. So I'm going to wait for a good entry. Now while waiting for good entry, you can also go to the Telegram community to get signal. Now on the Telegram community, you just got to scroll down, you understand, to the list one. Then now you start seeing the signal. You see that the first one is asset BTC, sell for BTC Tonk, then sell price 42,000, then buy for BitHub, buy price for 42,400. You understand? Now the profit is 155. By the time the system remove 30% of the profit, you will get 108. That is why I say the system always make money. So the moment they are making money, you just always know that the platform will always stay forever. You understand? Then on your trading section, you just got to wait for it to change to that particular $400 or $500 profit margin. On that note, after you put the amount at which you want to trade, let me say 100%, you just got to come down, then click on start, then you wait for it to load up. So as you can see, my trade have been executed on around $300 profit margin, and as you can see, my trade is already open and is live. So you can apply this strategy to all other period of time you are trading. Now you watch it to this extent of this video means that you like this video, so make sure you like the video, you understand, then subscribe to the YouTube channel. Meanwhile, I just want to bring to your notice a new video which I will be uploading either in 1 day time, you understand, or a 2 days time, whereby I talked on how I make over 700,000 naira in 2 months, and you can apply that process and also make up to 1 million naira in 1 month, you understand? So you just got to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that you always get notified when I drop that video. As this will be it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.